Hey guys.
Hey guys, today's Monday, November 12th. It is our first vlog and we're going to eat lunch right now.
Alright, see you guys there.
Stop.
It's been raining all day.
Oh, first off, you need the camera straight like this, not tilted.
Hey guys, so it's raining super hard right now. Justin's driving. We're on the highway. We had lunch and we're about to go to IKEA. Hey you guys, I made it to the back seat. I have napkins. I'm about to clean up this mess. Oh my gosh.
Alright, my leather's gonna get all soaked.
What?
Hurry up!
Okay, how do I do this? I can't do it with one hand, so I'll update you guys later. The pot is secure, the plant is safe. Yeah. And we're still on the way to IKEA, but we'll see you guys there. We just got here. That actually. Oh yeah, it's raining and it's and the journey begins. Alright y'all, so we just got to the lamp section, and if you know Justin, he is obsessed with lamps. And look at all these Pixar lamps. Like,
You know, these are, what do you call those charging, what do you call them?
oh, like the self-charging.
I could put my phone on here and it could charge.
Oh.
Oh my god, I need one of these lamps now. Why is this one not charging? Oh, look at that!
So if you want to charge your phone, come to the lamp section at IKEA.
You know what these look like?
What?
Just balls.
We just entered the like flower section and it's so pretty. And if you also know Justin, he's obsessed with like green plants.
Fake plants.
Fake ones too, like this type of stuff. Like this type of stuff.
It's right.
Do you want to tell them what we're buying?
TV stand and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not gonna buy anything else. Just a TV
Just a
stand.
TV stand. And then we're gonna make our way to pay. And then we're gonna get ice cream. Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
Look who it is.
Kelsey, I'm gonna hit you.
You're not.
I'm gonna beat you in public. Move. Oh, hello.
His name is Benjamin. He's 19 years old and he goes to Georgia Tech.
Well, man, I'll try to do the dishes. Move. You better say bye. I'm gonna hit you.
Okay. Alright guys, that's the end of our very first vlog. Bye.
Bye, guys.